2023 Nissan Altima. With less than 38,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.